Welcome everyone, and a warm welcome to TechUnboxPro. Today we are taking a detailed and honest look at one of the most talked about mid-range smartphones right now, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. This phone is trending heavily on YouTube, and in this video, we'll cover everything you need to know before buying it. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G feels premium the moment you hold it in your hand. Samsung has refined the build quality with a clean, modern look that closely resembles flagship Galaxy devices. The slim profile, solid grip, and elegant camera module make it look far more expensive than its category. Moving on to the display, Samsung never disappoints here. The Galaxy A56 5G features a bright, vibrant AMOLED display with smooth scrolling and excellent color accuracy. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the display experience is sharp, immersive, and eye-friendly. Outdoor visibility is also impressive, making it perfect for daily use. Now let's talk about performance. The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G delivers reliable and smooth performance for everyday tasks. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels stable, and the phone handles daily usage without lag. For users who enjoy gaming, popular titles run smoothly with balanced graphics and stable frame rates. This makes the Galaxy A56 5G a strong choice for casual and mid-level gamers. One of the biggest highlights is the camera performance. Samsung has optimized the camera system very well in this phone. The main camera captures sharp images with natural colors and good dynamic range. Daylight photography looks crisp, and social media-ready photos come straight out of the camera. Portrait shots have good edge detection, and night photography is improved compared to previous A-series models. Video recording is also stable and clear, making it great for content creators. Battery life is another strong point of the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. The large battery easily lasts a full day with mixed usage, including browsing, video streaming, and gaming. Samsung's battery optimization ensures efficient power management, and fast charging support helps you get back to usage quickly without long waiting times. In terms of software, the Galaxy A56 5G runs Samsung's latest One UI based on Android, offering a clean and user-friendly experience. You get useful features, smooth animations, and long-term software support, which is very important in this price segment. Samsung's security updates and system stability make this phone a reliable long-term option. Connectivity is future-ready with full 5G support, ensuring fast internet speeds and smooth streaming. Call quality, signal strength, and overall network performance are solid, making it suitable for both work and entertainment. So the big question, is Samsung Galaxy A56 5G worth buying? If you are looking for a stylish design, excellent display, reliable performance, strong camera, and long battery life, then the Galaxy A56 5G is definitely one of the best mid-range smartphones available right now. This phone is ideal for students, content consumers, casual gamers, and users who want a premium Samsung experience without paying flagship prices. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and once again, welcome to TechUnboxPro, your trusted destination for honest smartphone reviews.